You can use your SDA to send automated email messages. First, go to Data Studio and configure your email server settings. Within Configuration Settings, you'll find the Mail Server Settings tab. In here, populate all the information with your email server. Once this is done, you can then go to Design Studio and begin configuring your SDA to send email messages. In Design Studio, go to the Players tab and open up one of your SDAs. With your SDA playlist open, you'll find an Add Player Logic button within the Property window on the left-hand side. Click on that. With the Player Logic window open, we're now going to define a logic to trigger that email. First, we must add a title. Left-click and drag down the title button from the top. Give your logic a name, and then choose the execution interval, how often you want the email to be sent. From here, we're going to make a decision. That decision can be based on a value, a day, or time. In many cases, we're going to go by a value. We're going to trigger this email off of some sort of data. Left-click and drag value down to the workspace. From here, we're going to point to some of the existing data that's being collected by the Simon server. Click on the drop-down at the top and select Data Point. From here, we see all the different data sets available to us. In this example, I'm going to use something simple like the weather. So I'm going to go to the weather table and I'm going to base this off of temperature. I'm going to click on the zip code that I want to base the temperature off of. In this example, I'm going to choose 75024 and click Insert. Now I'm basing my trigger off of the weather. I'm going to select that if the weather is greater than 90 degrees. My final step is to choose the action. I'm going to click on the action drop down at the top and select the option to send email. I'm going to drag that down into the workspace as well. From here, I will fill out this email information. I will connect the three objects together by drawing a line to each item. They are now connected and I can click OK and my logic is now complete. From this point, anytime the temperature and that zip code gets above 90 degrees, an email will automatically be sent out to the recipients.